Here's going to be another retake of this KONE MonoSpace MRL at Indooroopilly Junction. Now, this used to have a British voice, but sadly got deactivated, which is a little disappointing. Here it is. Wait, what was that I just heard? Hang on. Ah, yes, it's back. It's that British voice is back. We'll do a cab view. It's finally back. After nearly a year, this voice is finally back.
Going down.
I thought we were going to lose this forever or have a different voice. It's like, but it's back, thank goodness.
Going up.
Landed on level 4. This voice is finally back.
4th floor.